Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to share information on budgets. For that, you have to come up on the side menu, click Financials, and under Financial, Budgets is there. To add a new budget, click on Add Budget button. You have to enter the project name, budget name, currency. You have to select between the type of the budget you want to make, and you have to mention the budget amount. If you want the budget to repeat or in the recurrence, you can select between these options. You can enter the start date, end date, what is the billable rate that you're going to keep for this budget, and you can mention the profit margin. Once you mention the profit margin, the target profit and the target cost are going to get calculated upon the same. You can click on the checkbox to enable the notification, which allow you to notify a certain user or an assignee, which can be selected from here via email when the budget is exceeds or for the certain percentage of the number that you're going to mention. Once this is done, the email is sent to the user or the assignee upon the certain exceeded amount. Then you can click on the create or budget to create the budget. Once the budget is saved, it is going to show in a listing page like this. Here you can see the budget name, type of the budget, any client added, mention the project, the status, how much is the revenue calculated on it, the margin percentage, and the budgeted time used inside the budget. Further, you can always filter here from this screen with the respect to the budget type, project, billable, or the project status, revenue, and the margin. You can click on search option to search a project's specific budget. You can click on the three dots to edit the budget, delete budget, and set the end date. To open a budget, you can click on the budget name. Here you can see that the information with the representation of a forecast chart of a budget is shown. This graph shows us that what was the amount of the budget being given, which is 5,000 here, and how much is being used until now, and that is $439.77. As on the way we keep using the budget and keep investing the hours and spending the money, the green line is going to move and it is going to give you a graph upon the same. Now moving forward, here we see that the budgeted time was this and the actual billing was done for 14.39 and the remaining time is left is 152.01. Similarly, for the budgeted amount, the total was declared was 5,000. The used one is 439 and the remaining is the 4561, that is a 91%. To go back to the budget, click on back to the budgets. Here you are landed to a budget screen. So this was all about the budget. Thank you.